Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all, my dear viewers? I hope that everyone is pretty fine and doing very well. My dear viewers, in today's video I'm sharing with you lots of beautiful nail art designs. Each and every nail art design is beautifully compiled and latest ideas. Hope so you will enjoy and like my today's nail collection. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. If you like my today's nails, then must hit the like button. Hope so you will enjoy and like these nails. My dear viewers, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. If you like my today's nails, then must hit the like button. And also tell me which nail art design you like the most. I have shared different type of nails like floral nail art designs, sticker nail art designs, ombre nail art designs, gel nail art designs, and lots of beautiful luxury nail art designs, abstract nail art designs, and French tip nail art designs, and lots of beautiful different type of nail art designs. Hope so you will enjoy and like these nails. Dear viewers, if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea or any nail art design, then must tell me in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. Dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, then must visit on my channel once. There I have shared lots of ideas related to nail art designs, beautiful huge collection of latest cute easy nail art designs, I have shared very easy nail art designs that you can try them easily at your homes. My dear viewers, also I have shared summer nail art designs, winter nail art designs, autumn and spring nail art designs. My dear viewers, a lots of beautiful huge collection of occasional nail art designs. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I've shared with the name of nail art designs. And also I've shared different type of clothing ideas like party dresses, bodycon dresses, evening dresses, mother of the bride dresses and mother of the groom dresses. Bridesmaids outfits and lots of beautiful wedding dresses, gala dresses and red carpet outfits. So my dear viewers, don't forget to visit once and watch my those ideas. And lots of I have shared different ages women's outfit ideas, very trending and beautiful outfits. So don't forget to visit once and watch my those ideas. Hope so you will enjoy. My dear viewers, in today's video I have shared latest beautiful nail art designs and different type of nails. Hope so you enjoyed and like these nails. If you like these ideas, then must hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos.